Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Cholera. The Carter first came to Sunderland, England in 1871 to 32 to 30, 31 to 32. It was not until the epidemic of 1852 that John Snow began to unravel the mystery of transmissions. John Snow was the first to link the cholera epidemic in London to a particular water resource, the Broad Street pump. When the pump handle was removed, the disease incidence drastically decreased. This was the birth of applied epidemiology. Florence Nightingale. The century has also saw the rise of nursing as a profession. Florence Nightingale believed that infection arose spontaneously in dirty and poorly ventilated places. She led to improvement in hygiene and healthier living and working environment. Florence Nightingale also advised and supported the development of district nursing in Liverpool. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.